What's up everybody, I'm Jeremy from Weld Tec Designs, and today we just installed a steering stabilizer on the front of this diesel Ford van. So it takes a unique steering stabilizer that gets welded on. Yeah, no problem. But as I get inside to go test drive it, I find something even better. Come with me. All right, so the first thing I notice when I get into this, I'm going to make sure that it's in park, but wait, there is no shifter lever, and then my feet just find amazingness. There's 3 pedals on the ground down there, and you know what that means. That means this thing right there has got a clutch. And what else does that mean? Boom, right here. So this is a 7.3 diesel. Let's hear it, wait, listen. Oh yeah. Manual transmission. We're going for a drive. All right, now, first impression, dude, I just love that. I guess maybe I don't get to drive a stick quite enough, but man, having this power in the 7.3, this would just be amazing for towing. Now, of course, this does have a Baja grocery getter kit on it, so just overall driving it is just fun. I mean, you can probably tell by just the smile on my face how cool this is. I'm not just cruising. This is just good old stuff right here. And then even for downshifting, just feeling that you don't even have to use the brakes nearly as much either. How many of you guys out there have a manual 7.3? And there's gotta be somebody else, but I would love to hear it. All right, we're gonna pull out in this intersection. Man, that clutch is tight too. I love getting to see some of the cool stuff that you guys do to your vans. This is definitely something that we don't do, but is very cool. It makes me glad that I know how to drive a manual. But I can't even remember the last time I owned a car with a manual transmission. All right, so we're gonna go down into 4th. This thing feels like it's just made for towing. All right, verdict is out. Jeremy needs a car with a manual transmission. Tired of driving these automatics after coming in here. That was so much fun driving this Ford 7.3 with a manual. It was awesome. Kylie didn't get to go, but she wanted to be in it. Unfortunately, I'm done, and I have to give it back to Michael. He's been very patient while we installed the steering stabilizer. What else do you got out there? I want to drive something else. Bring it to me.